to the Fox News Alert. The state of Arkansas says it will keep pushing to execute at least a half-dozen men this month after the Supreme Court blocked the first round. That break came hours before that prisoner was set to die. 2 other executions are scheduled for Thursday. Casey Siegel is live near the prison in Gould, Arkansas. All right, so Casey, explain this expedited timeline, the rush here.
Well, Shannon, that is because the state is up against this deadline of April 30th, and that is when a key drug needed to carry out these executions expires. The Department of Correction has the drug midazolam in its possession, but it expires on April the 30th. It's a sedative that is used by some states for lethal injections, but it's widely used in the medical field for procedures. States have had a difficult time getting new supplies of this drug because many critics say it should not be used to kill people. So there was a flurry of last-minute court activity leading up to yesterday's scheduled executions. Both Bruce Ward and Don Davis were spared by the state Supreme Court, and even the United States Supreme Court agreed to stay inmate Don Davis's execution at the last minute. He had already been served his last and final meal. Both men were convicted of capital murder in the early 90s and have been on death row ever since here in Arkansas, and that is where they will stay for now as these legal battles continue to play out in various levels of the courts. Shannon.
Okay, there are so many tracks going on right now, Casey. So what is the state's plan moving forward?
Well, 5 death row inmates are still scheduled for execution. 2 of them are supposed to be carried out on Thursday, and then 3 others next week. It is anticipated that we will see a similar situation like we saw yesterday, with lots of last-minute legal challenges. The state of Arkansas has come under fire for putting 8 executions on the calendar over an 11-day period, something that has never been done before by any other state. So critics of the death penalty have been protesting outside the governor's mansion and at the Capitol building. The Republican governor here and the Attorney General say that they are trying to see justice out for the victims of the family members who have been murdered by these 8 men. So again, it is confusing, lots of moving parts to this, Shannon, and we are on top of it here from Arkansas for you.
All right, well, keep us updated as that plays out, Casey. Thank you.